March 5th, 1965. President Johnson ordered the bombing of North Vietnam. This was known as Operation Rolling Thunder. Operation Rolling Thunder was supposed to last 8 weeks, destroying the economy and demoralizing North Vietnam. Instead, it lasted over 3 years. When Operation Rolling Thunder first began, the North Vietnamese had fewer than 1,500 anti-aircraft guns. These guns had a range of about 18,000 feet. Within a year, the Viet Cong was able to obtain more than 5,000 anti-aircraft guns. The new guns were radar directed and had a range of up to 45,000 feet. During the bombing raids, 5% of the bombs and 2% of the shells used by the United States failed to detonate. These unsuccessful bombs were recovered by the North Vietnamese and then used in their booby traps. When Operation Rolling Thunder was initiated, the bombing raids focused more on the supply lines of the North Vietnamese rather than actual targets. Soon after the bombing raids began, President Johnson sent ground troops to Vietnam to defend air bases used in the operation. These troops soon became involved with the Viet Cong, eventually engaging in combat. This furthered the U.S. involvement in Vietnam. As Operation Rolling Thunder came to a close 3.5 years later, 818 pilots were either dead or missing. According to U.S. estimates, about 182,000 North Vietnamese were killed by the bombing raids. The United States dropped 643,000 tons of bombs on North Vietnam. The number of U.S. aircraft shot down totaled 922. More money was put into Operation Rolling Thunder than the actual damage dealt. Operation Rolling Thunder was a failure.